Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up smoke and CO alerts across multiple platforms. Complete guide. Begin by ensuring you have your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors installed properly in your home. Check that they are functioning correctly and that batteries are charged or that they are hardwired to your electrical system. Next, download the necessary apps for your smoke and CO detectors from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account or log in to your existing smart home application. If your smoke and CO detectors have Wi-Fi capabilities, connect them to your home network by following the instructions provided in the user manual. Open the app and select the option to add a new device. Follow the prompts to connect your smoke and CO detectors to the app. Once added, customize the alert settings within the app. Choose how you would like to receive notifications, such as push notifications, text messages, or emails. If your system supports voice assistance, link it to services like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Enable the skill or action within the respective app to allow voice alerts for smoke and CO notifications. Test the connection by simulating the alert within the app to ensure everything is working correctly. Move on to set up alerts on your smart home hub if applicable. Open the Hub's app and navigate to the automation settings. Create a new automation rule that triggers notifications based on your smoke and CO detector alerts. Configure the smart devices in your home to respond to these alerts, such as turning on lights or sending messages. If desired, add third-party services like IFT to manage alerts across additional platforms. Follow the IFT prompts to create custom applets that link your smoke and CO detector alerts to other services. Regularly check all connections and settings to ensure they remain properly configured. Schedule a monthly test of your smoke and CO detectors for safety and functionality. Update your apps and devices regularly to take advantage of the latest features and security improvements. With these steps complete, you will receive timely alerts on multiple platforms for smoke and carbon monoxide issues in your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.